Hello world and welcome. Today we'll talk about sentiment analysis. My name is Harris and let's get started. So if you like this content, please make sure to hit the subscribe button or leave a like comment there. I'll be really happy about it. So today we will talk about sentiment analysis, and I found a data set from Amazon where people who are buying at Amazon leave some reviews there, and these reviews you can take, for instance, to just see if this is a good review or a bad review. So we are just putting it in two categories, good review or bad review, and we're taking this to account to train the model and predict these two cases. So first of all, I'm importing the libraries here, loading the data from the reviews. Then you can see there are some products, bunch of products, some profiles. We have some text, really long text that we are not taking into account, only the summary here, like good quality food and so on. And we have a scoring like this 0 or 1 to 5 stars that you know from Amazon. This is the scoring here, and the summary is kind of the thing that we're going to predict if this is a good or bad revenue. So I'm putting the sentiment analysis into two categories because it's from 1 to 5. So I said if it's higher than 3, it's a good revenue. Everything else is not good revenue or bad revenue, which is then -1. So I created a new column called sentiment, so 1 for higher than 5 or higher than 3, and -1 for lower than 3. Then I plotted everything here, and you can see we have over 35,000 positive reviews, which is actually good, and around about 12,000 negative revenues and reviews. And then we are training the model here. I took a logistic regression. You can also choose the naive Bayes predictor, and you can also take this, for instance, or estimator in this case, or other classification models. But I saw that logistic regression in this case has a really good performance, so I took the logistic regression and I split the training and test set here in 80% training set, 20% test set. Then I'm vectorizing the words from the summary above that we saw. We are not taking text in account, only the summary, which is shorter. You have to vectorize it for the model, for the logistic regression. Then so it's going to tokenize everything, then vectorizing everything. Then you're training the model here. You have a logistic regression with some hyperparameters here that you can see. And then I'm trying to predict something to see how the confusion matrix looks like, and to I'm plotting afterwards the classification report to see the precision, the recall, and so on. And then you can see that the average accuracy or the average precision is here almost 90%, which is actually good. So you can see the model is working pretty fine with logistic regression, and you can try to predict the sentiment for the next reviews that are upcoming. So thanks for watching, guys, and hit the subscribe button, and thanks a lot, and see you soon.